right, here we are with example number 2. And so keeping in mind with our steps, our first step tells us to do any distribution. So I've definitely got distribution here I'm going to start with. Let's use purple. So 2 times x gives me that 2x. 2 times 9 is 18. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6 is equal to 9. Second step says to isolate the fraction. However, we don't have any fraction that we're dealing with here, so we can just go ahead and jump right into combining any like terms. So 2x minus 3x, those are on the same side of the equal sign. Notice that, same side of the equal sign. So I'm not using inverse operations because I'm not moving things back and forth. When I'm on the same side of the equal sign, you're just combining like terms. So 2x minus 3x is a negative x or a negative 1x. And then 18 minus 6 is going to be 6, 7, 8, a positive 12. Equals 9. Get rid of the 12 by minusing 12 to both sides. Now notice here, I am using inverse operations now because I'm moving the 12 over to the other side of the equal sign. Over here, I was just combining like terms. That's the difference. So negative x is equal to 9 minus 12 is negative 3. Now, you might think here that you're good to go because you have that x isolated, but it's not just a plain old x equals, it's a negative x, and we need to get rid of that negative. Now, the number in front of that isn't just a negative, it's a negative 1, obviously. Negatives aren't just by themselves. So that negative 1 is being multiplied by x. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we are going to divide both sides by negative 1. Leaving us with x equals positive 3 as a final answer. Okay, so you've got 4 practice problems to look at with some distribution involved. Use your calculator and use your notes.